6 in the morning. It's a Sunday. Heading to Mollem, the Dudhsagar temple. Last time I tried it but I couldn't complete. So hopefully today I'll complete. I've started, let's see. It should take me 2.5 hours, maximum 3 hours to reach. I don't know, I have not estimated. Let's see how it goes. See you. Tell about today's journey. I'm going to Mollem. Around 50 kilometers is the ride. I have equipped myself with bananas, 2 bottles of Electrol, earphones, and a pair of goggles. Not a pair, sorry, a single goggles. I don't know how far this is, but I wanted to do this for a very long time. I have reached Mollem. Means the border. More 10 kilometers to go to reach on top another temple. And here there are some super bikes coming and showing off. Here is my super bike. Yay! So with me, I have taken 2 bottles filled with Electrol, some shade for my hand, and an extra bag just filled with if I required anything. That's it. 10 kilometers to go, all refueled. Now let's go on top. See you. That's my cycle. We're on the Anmod Ghat, and you're going to see something very amazing. That's Anmod Ghat. So beautiful. I don't know, I might have come from somewhere from there right up to here, and I'm pretty up. This is one of the best feelings. I don't know, I have tears in my eyes or what it is, but I'm so amazed with the ability that this body has. Just I'll keep on telling you all that, like indirectly I'm just telling you all that, just keep motivating yourself and don't expect anything, like don't expect the result, just keep on trying. Something somewhere you'll achieve here. The feeling, I just see the cycle. We are in Anmod. Unbelievable. I have to wear this, otherwise I'm going to get super tan. I think it's almost 9:30, I guess. I don't know time. It's 9:47. So it took me almost. I left at around 6:30. So it took me 3.5 hours to come on top. Actually, it took me 3 hours 15 minutes. 20 minutes I rode extra to come more for higher elevation and for a better view. That is one thing. My experience till now, I was riding at a pretty steady pace. Wherever there was climbs, I was shifting my gears down, and I was not taking any risk of exaggerating like stressing my muscles, because I know I have to ride around. I had a last 18 kilometer uphill, so I couldn't take that risk, and plus 18 kilometers up plus 50 kilometers back home. Second thing, I stopped twice while climbing because I didn't know how far was it. It looked, the climb was not very steep, but it was a long ride, so I had to check how many more distance just to self-motivate myself. And there were people asking me, can I take one round? I was like, no, not possible, bro. So now I'll get down and I'll get down and I'll have some breakfast first. See you. You know what's going to happen right now? Just around half an hour downhill. All the climbing is over now. Just enjoy the downhill. Just keep on smiling and just enjoy this ghats. This is the best thing ever. See you down. Woo! What is the fun if you have a ghat and if you don't stop for something like this? Whoa! I wanted to wash my face anyhow. I hope the water is cold. I'm not getting down. Oops. I can't risk my GoPro. I've come on this ghat couple of times, and I believe that without the blessing of a TT, you can't have a safe and prosperous journey. So I would like, whenever we come on this ghat, we always stop over here at the Dudhsagar, and I had stopped today earlier also and heading ahead. Thank you God. Let's go down and have really some breakfast. Very hungry. And we are at Mawlem Junction, where the RT-PCR test is being conducted for all the people who are from, not RT-PCR, if they are being checked, I guess, if they have taken both the vaccination. That's the Goa government rule. Bhai, bhaji kai metli re? ते येलो कलर स्ट्रॉंग भरेला ते ते ब्ल्यू कलर रे पत्र घातलं ते ओके बरं भाजी मेळटली मरे समोसा बी मेळटले हां वडा मेळटले मरे बरं आणि एक सांग रे म्हाका हेंचे कितें RT-PCR चॅकिंग करता की कितें करता हय एंटीजन टेस्टी करता आणि कोवॅक्स हे सर्टिफिकेट जाल्यार पळयता
तुझे दोन्ही वॅक्सिन जाल्या न्हू तुका डायरेक्ट सुट्टा जर ना जाल्यार मागीर थंय चेक करचें
एंटीजन कितल्या 10 मिनटान रिजल्ट
15 मिनटां लागता
15 मिनटं बरें बरें थँक्स I had a very good breakfast. For breakfast I had bhaji pav, 1 pav samosa, mirchi and limbu soda. I think this is pretty enough for me to travel for the next 50 kilometers. As the sun is coming up, it started to get hot, but I've refilled my bottles, so not an issue. I think I will manage it. Within 2 hours I should be back home. See you. Things I do to keep myself engaged while riding is either listen to music. So always I have whenever I go for a long ride, I have my earphone charged, and in the music mostly it will be some low beat music, no pumping high beats music, because otherwise you drain out a lot of energy. So you should listen to something very soothing, which will give you a good tempo to ride on if you're going for a very long ride. And I will also carry chocolates. Chocolates is one thing I carry just so that I don't get any negative thoughts, and something sweet is always in my mouth, and I don't drain out of energy. So just to keep me going, I have lot of chocolates. And the third thing is, if I get completely exhausted, I stop, I lie down for a second, stretch my legs, and just sit for some while. Just let the blood flow in my legs and help me relax. So these are some of the things I do. Let me know what you all do in the comment section, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. I have never done this liking this part, but if you all comment, I don't know how it works, but it reaches to many more people, so do comment.